Alright guys, welcome back here. This is kind of a different video for me. I just wanted to thank somebody for allowing us to go on this trip and talk to you guys about walleye. Oh, that's not a bad one. I just want to talk to you guys about this rod I've been using this trip on all these multi-species. We've caught a lot of fish, including these walleyes right here. This is a nice little Alberta walleye there on a little jig and a plastic. There's the fish. But this rod and reel is the rod favorite makes. It's a favorite Jackhammer. This is not something I'm posting on my channel, and it's just kind of a gear overview. This is a 7.4 medium heavy rod. This is an all-purpose rod. We've caught whitefish on this rod. We've caught walleyes on this rod. We fish for trout with this rod. It's just an all-around great rod. We've got some sun coming in, so it's probably going to look a little different, but we're using 10-pound braid right here to 6-pound mono leader to the jig and the plastic. Like I said, this is a 2500 size reel, and that is a perfect all-around multi-species rod and reel. This is definitely, if I was going to target multi-species my whole life, this would be the combo I would get, not a 7-foot. I like that 7.4 because it's a little bit longer. You know, we do make a 7-foot in the Jackhammer, but I would buy that 7.4 because it's a little bit longer. You're able to really get those fish out of deep water and make longer casts. We're going to catch one more real quick. I'm going to turn the boat though. But what I'm doing is casting this jig out there, small flips, and then I'm just slowly bringing it in, like so. Just slowly bringing it in and hopping that jig right off the bottom. There's one right there. Oh, that would have been cool if I would have caught that one. Grab my plastic there. Wow. Does that ruin a video or what? Thanks, Drain. Let me get up. I hope I don't catch one. We gotta let this train. So if you can't catch them casting, there's also the vertical jigging method, which works very well in rivers and also lakes. That way you're always keeping bottom contact with that jig. Right below the boat. And there she is. Right there. Super easy. That way is obviously way more effective. That's not a bad walleye at all. This rod is perfect. This rod and reel is perfect for this multi-species, what we're doing on this trip. And there she is. Not a long leader at all. We're using just a short one. And there she is right there. That'd be a nice eater walleye if we were eating these fish. We're letting them go. And that Jackhammer rod and reel handle them just perfectly. That is probably almost number 50 for the day on these walleyes, which has been an awesome day out here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little favorite video on Favorites YouTube channel. We'll check in maybe again when we go on a big trip, but thank you guys at Favorite for letting me go on this trip and sending me all these rods to go with me. This Jackhammer, whitefish, trout, and walleyes. And that's it. We'll see you guys next time.